Hello dear students, this video is on measurement and evaluation, which is a part of paper 2 unit 1 for B.Ed semester 3 students of University of Lucknow. And in this video we shall discuss about the objectives and importance of measurement and evaluation and its role in education. So now let us try to understand what measurement is. Measurement could be of two types, especially we know about the physical measurement, which is in science, and then we talk about educational measurement. We will talk in detail about educational measurement, but right now let us try to understand what measurement is. If we talk about science, we know that there is absolute zero. Absolute zero means at which some particular attribute is absolutely absent, which is not the case in educational measurement. So when we talk about measurement, as it is said in these definitions, that it is simply assigning the numerals or the numbers to an attribute or event. And this is done according to a rule, and according to Campbell, measurement is assigning of numerals to object or events according to the rule. So more or less both the definitions says that it is simply assignment of numerals, what is known as measurement. Now coming to the objectives of measurement, we know that it is simply assigning marks to the test. When we conduct test and assessment to know how much pupils understanding it, we come to know pupils' progress, how much they are able to achieve and what progress student is making, and then we can help them, we motivate them to do even better. This improves the learning quality and solves problems. Now the importance of measurement. In case of physical measurement, it helps us to understand the universe, and in case of educational measurement, we can know the student's progress, helps us in gathering relevant data to measure certain objects, and also used in research field. Now coming to the evaluation. According to Ralph Taylor, evaluation is the process of determining to what extent the educational objectives are being realized, because they give us lots of information when we compare the scores and the data which is received through measurement to some set standard or criteria. It gives us lots of information and we can make out to what extent educational objectives or the learning objectives have been fulfilled. And according to J.W. Wright Stone, evaluation is a new technical term introduced to design a more comprehensive concept of measurement. So we can say measurement is the first step of evaluation. Now the objectives of evaluation, we say that it gives us a lot of information because we gather data, comparing the scores against the set standard and criteria. It also make a periodic check on the effectiveness of educational institutions, because we come to know whether students or the institute is able to perform according to the set standard or educational objectives. It validates the hypotheses of educational institutes and also provides psychological security. The process of evaluation is very important because it helps teacher to understand the needs of the pupils. When we score students' performance in measurement and that is evaluated against the set criteria, it gives lots of information regarding the student's performance in a class, in a group, which tells us about student's weakness, student's strong points, where student has to improve and where teacher has to assist student. It helps parents to understand their students, their weak points, their strength, so that they can opt for some suitable career later on. And this is how it helps in attaining the classroom and the learning objectives as well. So we can see how important the role of measurement and evaluation is in the field of education, as it determines what and how much knowledge have been acquired, because it gives us the ideas of students' understanding, achievement, progress, the skill acquired by the students, the values which have been implemented and imbibed by the students. So it helps teacher to improve his own style of teaching, the pedagogy, the strategies and the ways teacher use in a classroom to improve students' understanding. So this gives a great idea about the fulfillment of the learning objectives in an educational institute. Thank you and stay tuned for the next video.